Vrindavan, the land where even the breeze carries the melody of love, where every tree, river and stone remembers the footprints of Sri Krishna. And among countless divine Leelas, there's one so simple, so beautiful, that it fills hearts with joy. This is the story of Krishna and the magical rain of flowers. One bright spring morning, the people of Vrindavan were preparing for a very special celebration, Phoolon Ki Holi, the festival of flowers. The Gopis gathered with baskets of vibrant blooms, ready to play, sing, and decorate the temples of the village. But suddenly, the skies turned cloudy. A wild wind blew through the meadows and swept away every single flower. The celebration came to a halt. The joy faded. The Gopis sat in silence, disheartened and unsure. That's when he arrived, Krishna, with a gentle smile and his divine flute in hand.
Why such long faces on such a joyful day?
Krishna chuckled, a sound sweeter than the birds. He said nothing. He simply closed his eyes and began to play. And then, it happened. From the sky, flowers began to fall. Roses, jasmine, marigold, lotuses, in every hue of joy. The entire sky had become a garden, as if heaven itself was celebrating Holi with Krishna. And so, dear listeners, remember this. When life feels empty, when joy feels lost, call upon Krishna and he will fill your sky with flowers. Jai Shri Krishna.